Hello, everybody. This is the cat. Thanks for tuning in. We're gonna practice some English now. Um, how about we review the ABCs? We have A, a, B, as in bat. Cat, C as in cat. Ha! Isn't that funny? Well, um, have you guys heard of Aesop, as in Aesop's Fable? Yeah, I'm a big fan of Aesop. Um, bear with me now. Oh, this is new. Let's see if we can use some special effects. Oh, that's money there. Okay. Once again, thanks for tuning in. Let's read a little bit of Aesop. So give me a second. Where is it? Okay, give me a second. Ah, there it is. No, wait a minute. That's not it. The fox and the goat, the fisherman and the sprat, the boasting traveler, the crab and his mother. Wait a minute. As a, as in his burdens, the apes and his travelers. Wait a minute. This is all Aesop's. Keep going. Oh yeah, your Aesop's Fables, new introduction by Vernon Jones. Okay, wait a minute. It's not quite working out. Let's go back. Hi, yeah, how you guys doing? Um, if you just tuned in, my name is the Cat, and I'm just experimenting with English. Now, that we saw there was the lips kisses out of nowhere. Wait a minute, what is that? Oh, so well, truth be told, I'm using something called Avatar, experimenting with the not Avatar the movie, but Avatar the um the thing. Because an Avatar is something that's not real. See, it's a cartoon. Another word for a cartoon. I understand that Avatar is a name, a word meaning something that represents another thing. See if I can do the special fact. Ah, look at that. Ah, but it's a pause. That's a paw, guys. Yes, a paw. That's a wave. A wave is spelled W-A-V-E. A paw is spelled P-A-W. Do my ears move? Hmm. Ear is spelled E-A-R. Um, whisker. A whisker is the animal mustache that you see there. Teeth. Yes. Teeth is spelled T-E-T-H. And teeth is plural of tooth, which is spelled T-O-O-T-H. Hmm. Can we make a spin? Oh, look at that. Spin round and round, round, round. Uh, we're going to review an idiom. The idiom is cats and dogs. What does it mean when we say that it's raining cats and dogs? When it's raining cats and dogs, it means that it's raining a lot. Yes, raining cats and dogs. Um, I'm not sure if you can hear, but there is an aquarium here nearby. Can you hear it? Can you hear it? Oh, wait a minute. Oh, that was too close. My my apologies about the strange effects. Well, we should we should review the difference between a fact and a fact. Yes, yes. Let's see. And a fact, and a fact A is not the same as effect. No, that's Aesop's fables. Well, look at that. That's a strange effect there. What happened? Let's see some special effects. Ah, we just zoomed out. No, we were trying to do something else. Okay. Effect versus effect. Let's ask the God AI. Quick answer. Effect is usually a verb, meaning to influence or change something. Effect is usually a noun, meaning the result or outcome of change. Detailed explanation. Effect, verb, to act upon. An effect, to affect is to act upon. Examples: the weather can affect our mood. Construction will affect traffic in the area. Effect or effect. We'll say, okay, definition, the result, consequence of an action. The new law had a positive effect on public safety. We may be spending too much time on this issue, but let's summarize. Easy memory trick. Effect, verb, action, effect, end result. Okay, so that clarifies everything. Let's go back to being a cat underwater. Um, let's see if I can squint my eyes. I'm not able to. A little bit. Wait a minute. I don't have a cat's eye. I don't have a cat's eye. Okay, now we should review a word which I always wondered about, which is feline. A feline, if I'm not mistaken, is a female cat. Let's reference to AI. What is a feline? A feline is any member of the cat family, which includes both domestic cats and wild species such as lions, tigers. Oh, so feline is not necessarily a female cat. I didn't like that. I thought a feline was a female cat. Really? Sometimes people use feline to mean only domestic cats, but technically it covers all cat species. Wow. Really? Bengal cat? These are tigers, though. Let's go back to being a cat. Now, one of the good things about being a cat is that you get to wear a cat collar. Ha! Yeah, it's called a collar. We're gonna call her calling all cats. No, it's not Valentine's Day. Um, we just hit the jackpot. I guess it's Money Day. Have you heard of helicopter money? Yes, yes. Um, cats have no use for money though, because a cat lives in the nature. What is that? Oh, it's raining? No, you can't see it. Oh, is it raining? Is it raining cats and dogs? Is that it? That is the question. Is it raining cats and dogs? thank you for joining us in our English journey. I hope you learned something. Till we meet again. Till we meet again. Bye.